I think our practice is unique in the fact that it's just a bundle of energy. I have people tell me all the time there's so much laughter and there's so much energy in the practice, and patients will constantly tell me that they've heard a lot about our practice and how fun we are, and they said it was all true.
When you walk in the door, we always try to be happy and smiling and really excited to see all of our patients. We get to know all the parents, and so it's fun. It's a fun place to be.
Well, when the patient first comes in, of course, they're greeted very warmly by our front staff. I love those girls in the front. And then what we first do is we get some records on them, which will include digital x-ray and some digital photographs. And then from there, I will sit down with the patient along with my treatment coordinator, and we'll review the records, we'll take a look at them, we'll examine and see what their needs are. And then we'll have a frank discussion about what we need to do. I think with the staff, we have a self-directed work team where there's not really a boss amongst the staff. We all kind of get together and we make decisions as a team.
Well, our assistants are actually really good. They're really caring and they really listen to the patients. We always let the parents go back in the chair as well. If they want to go back, there's always a parent chair back there, so that way if they feel more comfortable with their parents, we definitely encourage them to come back. Or the parents can wait out front, but our assistants are really good at talking to them and making sure that they're comfortable and that they know exactly what the assistant's doing all the time as far as putting lip retractors in and placing the brackets or clipping a wire or what they're doing. So we definitely just try to talk to them and make them feel like they're part of the experience as well. We also have what we call Ostler bucks that they can earn when they come in, which are kind of points for keeping their teeth clean and good oral hygiene. Nothing broken or anything like that, and they'll get money from us. It's little Ostler dollars.
Patients come in, if they're brushing well, if they're keeping their braces on and keeping them clean, then they get points and they get some prizes, movie money or mall money.
You can buy prizes like gift cards to different restaurants or retailers here.
One of the biggest changes we've had in ortho is just the advent of the computer and how the computer assists us. The advancement that I've really incorporated lately in the practice is using the Damon system braces, where it's a self-ligating bracket and allows us to use really light force, a continuous light force, and we get phenomenal changes.
It does cut down on treatment time. Treatment used to be anywhere from 2 to 3 years, and right now we're seeing cases walk out in just 18 months. We're actually the only orthodontist in the Tri-City area that uses the Damon system, so it's really exciting.
Invisalign is a series of clear trays or clear aligners, and you sequence from tray 1 to tray maybe 10 or 12 or 15, whatever it takes.
It's a clear type of retainer that they switch out every couple weeks, and each retainer is a little bit different, designed to move their teeth a little bit differently.
And each aligner tray gets the teeth a little bit straighter. And the advantages you can have is, of course, you can get some straight teeth and not actually have the braces on the teeth. And the patients I recommend this for, usually it's the adult patients who have some minor movements, maybe some spacing, just some real minor issues they want to get taken care of and really not interested in doing the braces.
Dr. Ostler is great with patients. He really wants to get in and meet everybody, talk to everybody, and make sure that everybody feels really comfortable.
The first set of braces I took off a patient, I was so proud. It was such a beautiful thing, and I'll still have that same feeling that when I finish and I'll look at the before and after and see the change that we made, and then just see the sparkle in a person's eyes. It does a lot to warm your heart. It makes it fun to come to work every day, just to know that I'm going to maybe change somebody again or help somebody along that process.